You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick user experience review about this platform called Gust Launch LLC. So watch the video to the very end. Gust Launch is built specifically for setup planning to raise venture capital. The onboarding is a tech driving and detailed. You get a dashboard to manage legal document equity and compliance. It's great if you are building a Delaware C Corps aiming for investors. However, it's relatively expensive compared to standard LLC formation service, and their platform requires you to already understand some setup like legal terms. Perfectly for funded setup, overkilled for a simple local business. So that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this video experience, or also have a few usage experience about this platform called Gust Launch LLC. Thanks.